Hosting an annual staff event can be a fantastic way to reward your team and foster a positive work culture. But did you know that you can do this completely tax-free if you stay within certain guidelines? Here's everything you need to know to make the most of the benefit. Under UK tax law, you can hold a staff event with a budget of up to £150 per head, and the entire cost can be exempt from tax and national insurance contributions. This is a brilliant opportunity to show appreciation to your employees without any hidden tax implications. Now, let's break it down. Number 1, the £150 allowance. This tax-free allowance applies per head, meaning each employee can benefit from up to £150 worth of events in a tax year. This can cover not just one big event, but multiple smaller ones, as long as the total doesn't exceed £150 per person across the year. Number 2, what it covers. The allowance can cover a wide range of expenses associated with the event. This includes food, drinks, venue hire, entertainment, and even transportation costs. Essentially, all the necessary components to make the event a memorable one can be covered under this allowance. Number 3, who can attend? To qualify for the tax exemption, the event must be open to all employees. It's designed to be inclusive, ensuring that everyone in your organisation can participate and benefit. This could be a Christmas party, a summer barbecue, or any other social event that brings your team together. Number 4, multiple events. If you decide to hold more than one event, it's important to keep track of the total cost per person. For example, if you have a summer event that costs £100 per head and a Christmas party that costs £50 per head, you've reached the £150 limit. If the combined cost exceeds £150, the excess amount would be subject to tax. Number 5, record keeping. Proper documentation is crucial. Ensure that you keep detailed records of all expenses related to the events. This includes invoices, receipts, and a clear record of who attended the event. Accurate record keeping will ensure that you stay compliant and can easily justify the tax-free status of the event. Number 6, why it matters. Utilising this tax-free allowance isn't just about saving money. It's about creating a positive work environment. Employee social events can boost morale, improve team cohesion, and show your staff that they are valued. By taking advantage of the tax-free allowance, you can make these events even more rewarding for everyone involved. Number 7, an A&C Chartered Accountant's tip. If you're unsure about how to apply this allowance or have any questions about the tax implications of employee benefits, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional accountant. At A&C Chartered Accountants, we're here to help you navigate the complexities of tax regulations and make the most of your business's financial opportunities. So, the next time you're planning an event for your team, remember this £150 tax-free allowance. It's a great way to ensure your employees enjoy a fantastic event without any additional tax burden.